So this what 4 weeks on the road look like, man. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, Leto. I see you. Okay. What the deal, y'all? What the deal? What the deal? You know what we gonna talk about today, man. We talking about it's now a good time to come out here in the trucking industry. For Orlando gonna say yes it is. It's definitely a great time to come out here. Why I say that? Because I'm a trader and that's just how I live my life, man. I do the opposite of mostly what everybody doing. Buy the fair, sell agree. A lot of people are running away. I'm running towards. I'm running toward buy the fair, sell agree. Right now, truck prices are going down. That's great, right? Since truck prices are going down, that means there's less truckers out here. So that means brokers got to pay more money. That's even greater, right? Brokers got to pay more money now. And on top of it, right now it's peak season. Well, it's not quite peak season, but peak season is upon us. It's on our head, meaning high rates. Anyway, it's gonna be busy. Come on, man. Like, a lot of people say we are in a recession. They ain't fully announced it yet. Look, let me y'all take a shirt, man. You know, it's king of business. How we do it around here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but I got a little distracted. So, I'm going to tell you, man, just come on out here. I'm going to say that. Come on out here. It's a good time to come out here, man. Don't listen to the negative people. If you have it on your... all right. Let me cut that. Me, how I work, no matter what I got going on, if I put it on my wall, I put a date on it, best believe, I'm giving it all to get that date right there. Sometimes I might spend my last. My wife might look at me, what did you do? Oh, hell no. But you know what? I always do it. Whatever goes on that wall, I'm doing it. So if you have it in your book, your goals, like by this date, if you had it that was this year, December, September, you're going to have you start the trucking business, go ahead and do it. What's stopping you? The market going to always be somewhat up and down, whatever. We always going to be there's always something going on. You never know until you try. I say that. So I'm going to say just go ahead and just come on in. I think it's a good time to come in, but that's just me. That's just how I move. You can't go off me. Hello, I'm about to drive off. But like I said, you can't really go off me. But that's what I would do. I'm coming out here. Buy the fair, sell the greed. That's just me, man. So if you're thinking about it, come on out here. That guy next to you, him, yeah. Talking negative, I wouldn't do that, bro. Get rid of him. I don't keep nobody negative around me. If you start talking negative, you start saying one or two things, I would slowly take myself away. But that's just Orlando, though. That's just how I am. I don't, you know what I'm saying? I don't like negative energy. Negative energy, go away. Negative energy, go away. So, that's just me, though, man. I think it's a great time to come out here. I think it is. Yeah. I don't know what's stopping you. What's stopping you, bro? What's stopping you? But to each his own. To each his own. I'm a risk taker. You know, most entrepreneurs are risk takers. And I'm an entrepreneur. I take risks. It scares my wife sometimes. But, you know, it works out for me. That's just how I live my life. I've always been like that. But I ain't got much to say, man. I ain't got too much to say to y'all. I'm just gonna say, if you thinking about coming in the box truck gang, the trucking industry, and it was on your list, it was on your goal list already, do it. What can you lose? Some people say I can lose all. Well, if you're thinking that already, you're gonna lose it all. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? You become what you think about. So start thinking positive. Once you think positive, man, everything work out, man. Well, that's it. It's a short video, y'all. Y'all thought I was about to give y'all something deep. This ain't nothing too deep. I just came to tell you. Hello, let me see my shirt again. You know what time it is. What do I represent? I'm doing it for the kingdom, huh? But yeah, like I said, man, just come on out here. This ain't nothing too deep. I'm just here to motivate you a little bit, man, because it dropped in my spirit that you needed to hear this. So I just came in and dropped this quick little video for y'all. Nothing long. Come on out here. It's peak season's right there. I know when I was at FedEx, man, peak season was busy. I could have been getting all that money for myself. But y'all have a good one. Y'all enjoy the day for what's left of it. It's your boy Lando. I am the man. Oh, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, guys. Make sure you do that. It helps the channel grow. I mean, but I'm gonna holler at y'all though.